Hey gamers, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss my latest guides, tips, and tricks for mobile games. Today, I'm going to show you a super easy hack method to unlock unlimited Vpoints and Blue Flame in the Spike. No PC, no rooting, no jailbreaking, just your phone. I tested this myself and it worked perfectly without any problems. So let's dive straight into it, step by step. First, open up the Spike and head over to your profile. Here you'll see your player ID, a combination of letters and numbers unique to your account. Make sure to save it, screenshot, or write it down because you'll need it in the next step. Got it? Perfect. Let's move on. Next, open your mobile browser, Safari, Chrome, anything works, and go to the website I show in this video. Search for the Spike and select the Unlimited Vpoints and Blue Flame Hack Generator. Click it and you'll land on the tool page. It's super simple. On the generator page, choose your platform, iOS or Android, then enter your player ID. Double check your info, then hit proceed. The tool will automatically connect to your account in just a few seconds. Now the fun part, select how many resources you want to add, pick your amount and hit proceed again. The system will handle the background stuff, encryption, syncing, all that techie stuff so you don't have to worry. Before your resources show up, you'll need to complete a quick human verification. Don't stress, it's super easy. Usually, you just download a free app and keep it open for a minute. The site will even give you step-by-step instructions if needed. Once that's done, you're all set. Now, reopen the Spike and check your balance. Your Vpoints and Blue Flame should be there instantly, ready to use. It worked perfectly for me. No grinding, no spending money, just instant rewards. And that's it. That's how you can unlock unlimited Vpoints and Blue Flame in the Spike. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe with the bell icon so you never miss the next tutorial. Got stuck anywhere? Drop your question in the comments. I check them often and will help you out. Thanks for watching, enjoy your boosted account, and I'll see you in the next video.